Finding the right auto shop can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's explore your best options now. Enter Cleveland Auto Repair and Simon's Auto Services, two popular choices for car maintenance in Cleveland. Expertise matters tremendously. Cleveland Auto Repair shines with its specialization in Cadillac and luxury vehicle repairs. In contrast, Simon's Auto Services lacks a standout expertise, leaving customers unclear about their true capabilities. Customer service is pivotal. Cleveland Auto Repair earns rave reviews while Simon's customers report inconsistencies and long waits. Imagine knowing the cost upfront. Cleveland Auto Repair offers transparent pricing, unlike Simon's unpredictability and surprise fees. Speed and efficiency. Cleveland Auto Repair gets you back on the road quickly, avoiding the frustrating delays at Simon's. Worry less with strong warranties at Cleveland Auto Repair, ensuring peace of mind if an issue arises post-service. Convenience also counts. Cleveland Auto Repair's central location and flexible scheduling makes servicing your vehicle hassle-free. Embrace a better experience. Cleveland Auto Repair offers complimentary inspections and priority services that Simon's simply can't match.